Hi there. In this video, we are going to discuss about batch flower remedies. So, two things strike in my mind. So, I got the two words repeatedly ringing in my ears. So, the words are internal conflicts, and the next word it's called external influences. We all get disease, we all get that negative mindset because of these two things, internal conflicts. So when your mind is not clear, you'll get disease. And when you're surrounding people around you, the place you live in, and these are external influences, so they create an impact on your health. So you have to make it perfect for you. So you have to be more happy with your mind and also with the external surroundings. So the words are called internal conflicts and then external influences. So if you take that seven emotions, so it could be fear, uncertainty, welfare of others, or influence and ideas. These fall in these two categories. So either you're affected on your own or someone is affecting you. So this is the cause for disease. So in Edward Batch system of medicine, Batch flower remedies, he has framed around 39 remedies. So these are super charged, super carefully picked remedies from flowers. So as you know that, and these can change your mindset. So in my experience, these are for mind related. So something with, it can be used with both your mind related things, internal conflicts and external influences, but most impact is on mind. It's for people who are falling in the plant remedies. So there are three kind of remedies: plant remedies, animal remedies and mineral remedies. So these are for people who are soft, these are for people who are introverts. That's the most important. Most introverts, if you find these people, they don't talk much. So for them the batch flower remedies works very well. So medicine has a link with astrology, and I have given that in my course. It's called How to Use Batch Flower Remedies, and I have also discussed about Enneagram types. What are the Enneagram types and what remedies they can use on a regular basis. So this is not uh, going to affect your body. You can take batch flower remedies as and when you need it. You can take any number of doses, it's not going to affect you. You can get the globules, sugary pills from the store, and then you can start using it. So if someone is procrastinating, you can use this. He's feeling tired, you can use these remedies. And so someone is affected by change of office, change of workplace, you have a remedy called walnut. So when you carefully study all these remedies tell only one thing: they are going to change the negative state of mind to positive. So there will be some remedies overlapping. You will be in a confusion on which remedy to choose. So you have to study in depth. So if you look at the category of uncertainty, there are a lot of remedies. If you look at fear, you have aspen, mimulus, rock rose, and then you have more remedies. So you have to pinpoint just one remedy. That's the most important. You cannot give like repeated remedies. Say like there are 39 remedies. You cannot use 20 of them. You have to use maximum 7. So that's 7 remedies for 7 emotional states. So you have to find the right emotional state. So this is the emotional state of the patient. How will you find it? So that's why I created the course called How to Use Batch Flower Remedies. So a patient may come to you uh, he'll be in a fear to tell you, but you will pick a remedy from uncertainty, and it's going to be getting delayed in curing. So as a doctor, as an empath, you should be able to find the right energy, find the right symptom at the first go. So only when you find the right symptom, what is the real reason of the problem, only when you find it like a spy, you will be able to offer them help. So I have given everything in the course, and I have given a simple method on how to remember these batch flower remedies. So these are very important, and I've been using it for more than 5 years, and I have improved a lot. I've been using it for my own self, and I have been using it for my family and neighbors as well. So they have all improved, and you have to start learning because it's a lifetime learning opportunity. So if you start to learn this today, you can follow it for your lifetime. So that is how the medicinal system works. So I have recently changed the YouTube channel as alternative medicine because I want to simplify medicine and I want everyone to learn, so everyone in their home can start to use it. So there is no right and wrong in medicinal system. As long as you take the dosage correct, you're perfect. So every system works, it's not only with batch flower remedies, even all the system works. There are wonderful systems like herbal system, naturopathy, homeopathy, and you have the allopathic system. You have even acupuncture, acupressure, and you have reiki systems. So you will be learning about it through this channel. And not to forget, there is an important system called the Ayurvedic system or the Vedic system of medicine. So you have the Vedic system of astrology and as well as Vedic system of medicine. So there is something called Siddha. It's practiced in South India, and it is the number one, not to be the number one, it is one of the finest medicinal systems. So the expert doctor can cure a patient easily. So there is no bigger system, or there is no greater system, or there is no higher medicinal system, just the usage, just the understanding. So if you understand clearly and take action, there will be result. So I'll meet you in the next video. If you have any questions, you can just post it in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out.